हूँ विद्या तिवारी और आज मेरे साथ है मेरी फेवरेट डांसिंग डीवा जिनके गानों पर मैंने बचपन में इतना नाचा है कि शायद प्राइज लेकर ही वापस आई हूँ। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट करिश्मा कपूर जो आ रही है इंडियाज बेस्ट डांसर सीजन 4 में। मैम इतना समय क्यों लगाया?
Well, actually, like I've said before, I was very happy coming as a guest judge. हंसते हुए, डांस करते हुए, करिश्मा कपूर special and go home. No extra responsibility. But yes, now there is a lot of responsibility, and I think I've been on India's Best Dancer season 2 and 3. I think we had a great time, and I think I really believe in the ethos of the show, the energy of the show. So finally, I think they convinced me to come.
Yeah.
तो बहुत सारा responsibility है. I think judging contestants is not easy.
Right.
क्योंकि वो सभी fantastic है. मैं ऐसे ही नहीं कह रही हूँ जैसे कि वो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. Genuinely, I think this generation, they're so bang on. They're so, in my words, चुस्त in everything that they do. उनको of course dance करने आता है, presentation करने आता है, बात करने भी आता है. So I think they really come very prepared. To make that choice of the best 12 बहुत ही tough decision है.
Yeah. And ये tough decision कितना हो जाता है when you have to decide कि किसको रखना है किसको नहीं, because after all आप एक माँ भी हैं तो
actually like I said, I get very emotional, but really I have to look like this and not get too too distracted. Exactly. So it's tough, but at the end of the day we have to do what's best for the show and who genuinely are the best contestants. So I think it's 3 of us sit together, the team sits, and काफी tough था. अभी mega auditions आने वाला है इस हफ्ते, and then of course then the big opening night. So it has been pretty tough, but चलो audience, अभी आप देख लीजिए.
हम आपको पर्दे से थोड़े दूर देख रहे हैं अभी, लेकिन जो नॉस्टैल्जिया आप शेयर कर रहे हो एपिसोड्स में, लाइक हमारे लिए तो वो गोल्डन एरा है 90s के. एक गाने आपके देखे हैं, आपके स्टेप्स याद है, मूव्स याद है. हाउ रिफ्रेशिंग इट इज फॉर यू, क्योंकि जब फैंस आते हैं पर्सनली इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, दे गेट टू नो फ्रॉम यू द लोलो जो आप शेयर कर रहे हो.
तो like I said, I'm a very emotional person. What I do, जो मैं करती हूँ अपने दिल से करती हूँ. तो even when I give an anecdote और जो मैं बताती हूँ सब सही है और सब truth है. And it's all organic. मैं ऐसे सोच के मैं नहीं आती हूँ कि मैं आज ये बोलने वाली हूँ. Actually, while watching or while acting, मुझे कुछ याद आ जाता है. And then I actually just speak from my heart.
And television कर रही हो आप, पहले आपने कहा कि you just came for special appearances and then you went away, but कितना टफ है ये. एंड करीना मैम ने कितना गाइड किया कि 12 घंटे बैठते
तो वही तो शी वाज लाइक यू आर रेडी ना, प्रिपेयर्ड हो ना, बहुत टफ है. आई वाज लाइक या आई नो, बट चलो आई लाइक टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, आई लाइक टू ट्राई डिफरेंट थिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक नाउ चलो आई वाज रेडी, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ.
बॉलीवुड में तो उन्होंने आपसे गाइडेंस लिया, लेकिन यहाँ क्योंकि
because she has been a judge first before
so
me.
what did she tell you? Any tips or anything that
I think this is the most important thing I feel about both of us, कि हम अपने दिल से बात करते हैं. So I think most important is be yourself and always speak the truth. And that has been the belief of both of our sisters, I think, throughout our careers.
Right.
So I think we stick to that only.
Also, ma'am, during reality shows बहुत बार होता है जब रियलिटी शोज को क्रिटिसिज्म भी फेस करना पड़ता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा शोशा होता है, सॉप स्टोरी सेल की जाती है टू ग्रैब TRPs, आई बॉल्स, क्योंकि you are coming this time as a full time judge. What is your take on it? You must have seen in the past.
Honestly, I would say I can only talk about my experience now in India's Best Dancer. Like I said, ये शो का जो ethos है, जो energy level है, is very different. It is more so about your talent, but everybody has a backstory. आपका भी backstory है, मेरा भी backstory है.
Yes.
We've all been, and I think this is a platform which is there to show the talent and also to just tell them how did they reach here. तो I don't think हमारे शो में ये ज़्यादा कुछ हो रहा है, तो I cannot comment on others.
Yeah. Also 90s के dance में या अभी के dance में, what are the changes you
Well,
see?
definitely, I think techniques have changed, generations have changed. But what I like to see is when the contestants do our old numbers, और कैसे वो adapt करते हैं वो style. I'm sure it is difficult for them also. तो I love to see that. कि जब वो मुझे बुलाते हैं डांस करने, how they adapt to me and I adapt to them, I think that is मेरे लिए बहुत मजा आता है, and I really actually enjoy that.
Started working, with the other two judges. What is the camaraderie between
Well, I
all
think
of you?
I really love them. I know them for so many years. Geeta used to be Farah's assistant, तो उसने मुझे बहुत सिखाया है. So I know her back from those days. Of course, I know Terence also. I've judged with him other shows. So it's wonderful to be with them, and I think that's what's exciting on our set. बहुत सारा हंसी मजाक, पर फिर serious business on dance. और I've always loved dance. तो ये जो मेरा experience है, I'm really thoroughly enjoying, and I want to tell the audience, देखते रहिएगा हर Saturday Sunday India's Best Dancer Season 4.
हुस्न है सुहाना, मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, या सोना कितना सोना है. If you had to choose one.
I can never. They're all little parts of my heart. मेरे हर जो गाना है, I think they're little parts of my heart. तो मैं नहीं choose कर सकती.
Okay, your favorite dancing co-star.
Don't get me in trouble. Bye.